Off the pieces off the goalkeeper. He was close to getting onto that marker, Ruben. Which is Giuseppe.
It's all about creating chances.
Forward by Busquets. There's one of those ghosting runs from Keita, picked up here by Afellay, and he was looking for David Villa.
I think it's the order of the day for Barcelona. Runs from deep to beat this offside trap. Afellay gets him behind Catala there too.
Here's Adriano. Afellay just beyond Iniesta. Alves to strike. Well, that was nearly the opening goal, Terry, for Barcelona. I just wonder whether you thought Iniesta might be used to seeing because of the changes in personnel.
I think in particular the two wide players. Normally you've got Villa and Pedro who come and play infield and play closer to Messi, who plays central. And tonight Afellay has stayed wide on the left. Iniesta's dropped deeper. Villa isolated.
Iniesta at the heart of this latest attack. And it's his shot. And Diego Lopez took his hands away to suggest he didn't get a touch on the Iniesta shot, but the referee spotted that he did. And it will be a corner. That challenge on Borja. Villa. Afellay showing good pace up against Mario. He's done really well, the Dutchman. And he can't quite steer it into the path of David Villa.
Second half.
Barcelona on top. Messi. Fed out to Afellay by Thiago. Stings the hands of Diego Lopez, and Villarreal happy to get it away quickly. But the pressure building.
In the back position, they seem to have stepped up a gear, don't they, Barcelona? Afellay stinging the hands of Diego Lopez, the powers.
We'll come on to a situation in which Barcelona are comfortably holding on to their 1-0 advantage. Afellay departs.